welcome back to my vlog. As you see, the sun is shining oh so dearly and oh so bright. Sun kissing. The sun is just kissing my skin. I love it. Yeah, I want to move right now. Back at home, it's an ice storm and we came to Pittsburgh where it's sunny and 70 degrees. So we're super excited. Asia is light skinned. She don't know her dark from light, so she gonna say I look light skinned. You are light skinned. She's still look at Chris. Good morning.
Good morning. Or afternoon.
What time is it?
12:12.
It's 12:12. I'm feeling good because the sun is out and we're gonna have a great, wonderful, prosperous, sunny, hot day. It feels so good. We'll see you guys.
Do you like the sun?
I love the sun.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay, so
Give me a smoothie and
a smoothie.
the sun.
What kind of energy does that sun bring to
The sun just gives me okay, ladies, you know when you get your hair done or you get your lashes done,
They didn't make my
and
shoes look like that.
she just a sneakerhead, but y'all know how y'all feel good when you look good, you feel good. The sun make me feel good. So anytime, I feel like that's anybody though. If it's a cloudy, gloomy day, people be down, you know, it kind of makes sense. And I just love the sun. I want to move where the sun is. See how nice this freaking sun is. We just got to this place called the Terminal, and it's like it got a whole bunch of food and stuff. We just about to eat really quick here. There's a whole bunch of stuff in this one big place, but I want to go to this place called the Station Square, and it's like shopping, food, you see the water, bars. It's like one big old thing in one, so that's where I want to go. But it's so nice, so beautiful. Just ate Chipotle. I didn't want to record that because I always give y'all like a little mukbang. So now we're gonna go to Station District. Like I almost fell down the steps. I didn't see that was a stair.
This is exactly what you feel like right here.
Yeah, I went to the side like this a little bit. Station District. Hopefully I can try some fruit and stuff. So guys, we went to Station Square and it didn't open until 4 and it's only like 3 something. So we're about to rent bikes and now we're at Point Park. There's a lot of people out here. I don't even care how my hair looks because it's so sunny, but the wind is blowing my hair, so it's okay. But I guess we're gonna see. I see people dancing right now. If I could capture if they still dancing, then I would. Y'all, look what we found. Y'all, clear fruit.
I don't know about that.
They probably, y'all gotta know about clear fruit. And they got green apple. Show them green apple. They never seen that. I need this. It's so good. Y'all, these are my favorite. We just found all of them.
Peach.
Tell them the flavor.
Oh my god. Okay, we got fruit punch room, island breeze, peach green, peach strawberry green, the light green apple, and a strawberry watermelon. Y'all ever seen ice charge? Like, what the heck? Sour lemonade? Look at you. Candy head. That's different. Y'all, if y'all don't know about these, the snowberries? Oh, best in town.
Snack go. You got some little baby. Liquid lingerie raws. What are they? What? And this pop?
That
lemonade.
good.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
lemonade?
what I was just-
Where the rest of them at?
It's the two. These two.
Oh. Do y'all remember these? What? And they even got the watermelon one. Look at all the clear fruit. She say addicted, and I never had green apple, so it's over. First Asia wanted to try these and these. I got the typical What's this? Oh gosh.
That's back in the day.
Girl, this back in the day, gummy. Our snacks from the store. Now we're walking. We parked and we're going to oh, which is cute on her thing. This place called Randy's Place. He created everything by hand and it's colorful. That's the only reason I want to go because it looks pretty. It says I can't record. I'm trying to sneakily record, but it says I can't.
Recycle everything and painted it.
I'm trying, guys. Let's see if we can sneak upstairs before somebody say anything to us. Oh no, there's people up here. Hello, guys. We've been really sightseeing. I didn't even know you got out the car that fast. Buggertory, Bar Louie, where is it? It's right here, but where's the sign? Y'all, I'm happy, Voodoo. I'm happy because we don't have Bar Louie back at home. We used to, but everybody watching me, I don't care. We used to, but it's gone. So hopefully they still got my buffalo chicken tacos. Cause I'm about to be so happy. I'm gonna show y'all though, cause I really have to use the bathroom because we've been just sightseeing and walking so much. And now it's time to eat. I only ate Chipotle. That was this morning. I'm happy because we don't got Bar Louie at home. Happy. I'm happy because we don't got Bar Louie at home. I'm happy. I'm happy. All the time.
I know you. I believe in you. Even if you believe
I'm
in
trying one on camera. Oh, that's the honey hat. Got like arugula.
I think all of us have seen great things in music. You don't even, we believe in you. You don't believe in yourself. You gotta believe in yourself.
Guys, the scarf came on, so that means it's time to go. It's time for lunch. What time is it? It's time to come back on my
Finish your outro. Outro's kind of
in the middle of freestyle.
gotta
You just got to cut the music off for your video.
Okay, stop, because I can't.
Outro gotta go. Y'all, we had a great time in Pittsburgh, Penguins. I hope y'all like the
Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh.
They sitting here rapping, doing Chris Wade. Let me just do my outro. Outro's gone. Bye, y'all.